Are you tired of manually deleting pods just to apply new configuration values in your Kubernetes setup? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to explore how to easily replace a running pod with new configuration values using Helm. I completely understand your frustration. Editing a config map and then having to delete pods with the kubectl delete command can feel tedious and time-consuming. You're definitely not alone in this struggle. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, is there an easier way to replace a running pod with new configuration values using Helm without executing the kubectl delete command? If this sounds familiar, stick around as we find a solution together. So why is this an issue? When you update a config map, the pods that rely on it do not automatically restart. This means your changes won't take effect until you manually delete those pods. But with Helm, there's a more efficient way to handle this. And don't go anywhere. At the end of this video, I will share a quick tip that can streamline your Helm deployments even further. To replace a running pod with new configuration values using Helm, the user should first update the config map with the desired changes. This can be done by editing the Helm values file or directly modifying the config map. Next, the user needs to apply the changes to the Helm release. This can be done by running the Helm upgrade command, which will automatically update the pods with the new configuration. After executing the Helm upgrade command, the user should verify that the pods are being updated. Helm will handle the rollout of the new configuration without the need to manually delete the pods. Finally, the user can confirm that the new configuration is in effect by checking the logs of the updated pods. This will help ensure that the application is running as expected with the new settings. Fun fact, did you know that Kubernetes was originally developed by Google? It has come a long way since then, making container orchestration easier for everyone. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach suggests adding a date label to your pod's metadata. By including the line date.release.timeseconds in the spec template, you create a config change that triggers a rolling update. This way, you won't need to delete the pods manually. Let's take a moment to review another user's answer. An alternative approach suggested by a user is to use the command helm upgrade recreate pods. This command allows you to replace a running pod with new configuration values without needing to manually delete the pod. That's it for that answer. Let's take a look at another one. An alternative solution involves using dynamic config map names based on your values.yaml file. First, in your values.yaml, set a config version for your application. Then, in your config map, name it using the release name and the config version. Finally, in your deployment, reference the config map using the same naming convention. This method allows for automatic pod recreation when the config version changes. Here's that quick tip I promised. Consider using Helm hooks to automate the process of updating your config maps and restarting your pods. This can save you a lot of time and effort in the long run. And there you have it. You can now easily replace a running pod with new configuration values using Helm without the hassle of manually deleting pods. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more tips, and don't forget to check out our next video for more Kubernetes insights.